Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I just want to make a real quick video for you guys to say hope you guys had a good holiday. Holidays are not over yet. I know a lot of people are still on winter break. Got New Year's in a couple days, and we have a crazy market ahead of us. And I know if you've been on crypto YouTube or crypto Twitter, you're starting to hear people say time to get into those altcoins. Well, here on this channel, we are sticking to our guns. We make a strategy. We say, hey, we started accumulating altcoins a little bit ago. There's been some slight drops in those prices, but just trickling in, buying little amounts here and there so we don't have to throw all of our funds in at once and then, potentially get wrecked on a 20% drop or something like that. So, just scaling in over time as this market starts to get more bullish with the Bitcoin dominance doing its thing, getting close to targets and stuff like that. Hopefully this can start to come back down. Now, this Bitcoin dominance, it really scares me because I think for some reason I had it topping out at 79%. So I really hope that doesn't happen. Hopefully that these altcoins still continue to pick up and there still continue to be some kind of decrease in the Bitcoin dominance going forward. But overall, it's good to see that the overall market cap is continuing to rise. $735 billion. I love to see it. Although most of that money is going into Bitcoin, I'm already starting to feel like, I'm going to start looking at what altcoins I'm going to go in once this Bitcoin pump starts to chill off or just go sideways for a little bit. And I want to just be ready. I want to be ready before everybody else, and that's what I want you to do. Fiat leak is going crazy all over the world. Bitcoin is going crazy. So everyone's saying, what altcoins are you invested in? So before all that, you guys already know I got my low cap gym playlist. Go and check out all those products. I believe all those products are definitely great for an investment, and based on what they're doing, different times that you can get in, I'm trying to collect a bunch of all of them so that when things really do pop off, that's kind of what my strategy is for this bull run. My strategy for this bull run is to just wait for the altcoins to pop off. If that doesn't happen, got a little bit of Bitcoin, got enough Bitcoin to be happy with some gains and stuff like that. But I'm really banking on the altcoins doing what they did last time. Since I seen Bitcoin do what it did last time and it's continuing to do what it did last time, I want to see if altcoins do the same thing. Again, none of this is financial advice and nothing is guaranteed, but history doesn't repeat, but it rhymes, they say. So let's hope that saying ends up being true, or else I'm gonna get wrecked. So I know different people have different strategies, but I would say make sure you have enough of the coins that you want before you start doing anything else. Some of my coins that I sold in the last bear market actually hit all-time highs, like Aave. I sold Lind. It was Lind before. I sold Lind, at low prices, but we won't get into that. So first thing I want to say, if you've been following me for a while, we've been laughing at the Pornhub intro, but I'm going to have to get rid of that intro starting new year because people are complaining. People get embarrassed. They don't want to show my videos to their sister and it has that intro. It gets kind of awkward, I guess. But no, in all seriousness, in the future, I want to have some crypto teams on this channel. I want to have some real serious people on this channel, and, the Pornhub intro ain't gonna fly no more. I'm outgrowing it, but we had fun while it lasted. So there's cool with that, and I'll probably end up putting that up as an NFT if people want to buy a piece of the history, just like I did with the old logo. I did this experiment on my channel, started in 8/11/2019, and I spent about $355 in crypto for about 355 days. I bought $1 a day worth of Bitcoin, and I just wanted to say today that thing is worth $1,100. So $300 turned into $1,100. Turned out to be a good investment. Show people this video when they say Bitcoin is you can't make money being broke in Bitcoin. You have to be rich to make money in Bitcoin. Well, $1 a day, I'm making $1,000. So imagine if that would have been $2 a day or $50 a week or something like that. That's how you want to explain that to people. $1 a day, Got about $1,100 worth of Bitcoin. I gave some away in my giveaway video. Oh, you know what? That reminds me. I'm gonna do another giveaway when this channel gets to, let's say, 2,500 subscribers. Doing a giveaway, small giveaway. No. Take that back. When this channel gets to 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing a very cool giveaway, small giveaway, and then when this channel reaches 3,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away some Bitcoin. So that's something to look forward to, you know, if you're a subscriber and you like to watch the channel. So this is my list, my low cap gem list that I'm trying to accumulate more of. Some of these I've been looking at for a very long time. But all of these coins on this list, I feel like in a bull market and continuing down here, I believe these are some of the newer ones that I added to this list. Now, these tokens right here in particular are on my thumbs up list. You got Ohm, you got EWX, you got Index and DPI, you got TrackStake, 88 AGI, and OMI. So if you're into any of those tokens, let me know. Just wanted to make a real quick video for you guys, let you guys know what's going on here with the channel. Gonna be doing some branding updates, a whole bunch of cool stuff, more giveaways, more merch, updating the website. The courses are finally coming. The Telegram group is open right now. If you want to get into that, let me know. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Appreciate you guys for watching. Happy holidays. Till next time, peace.